Now first, I'd like to explain what's going on here. We've got a traditional work trailer, 20-footer. It's a pipe steel top, dual axle. It mostly consists of 2-inch square tube. Went ahead and went with 14 gauge metal. Also used some tubular 2x4 tube steel for the back patio, for the front end. That's it, guys.
See you again tomorrow. That concludes
scuffed everything down with these scuff pads. Make sure you use gloves when applying that product, and you're scuffing everything down. Wear those gloves, scuff it. To build the walls as easy as possible, I built the walls and I used the trailer as one big workbench. So I laid the tube steel down across, and I used it as one big workbench. I built one wall, tacked everything together, then I built the other wall right on top of the first wall to make sure that both walls were uniform and square. Another thing I did was, before I started any work on the trailer and on the walls, I leveled out the trailer on the driveway. Use a 6-foot level, put it across the top of the top rail, the round one, and I leveled it out, plumbed it out on both sides, both axles, the left and the right. Then once everything was tacked together, the walls, from this point on to that point, I built a square wall. I had some help come over and help me erect the walls. I threw some beads, you know, all the way at the base. Put some construction adhesive to help with the water going in. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. I'm the real Iron Man, by the way. The real Iron Man. The rest is Hollywood.